Welcome to my channel. Today I am decorating my porch and my front door for Halloween. Trick or treat, let the magic begin. Happy fall, y'all. Okay, so Rob handed me these tools and here I go. I'm gonna make a hole right there in the straw so that I can get my little witchy to stand in. All right, everybody, here we go. And the reason why I'm doing this is so that it connects the two hay bales, and then the witch will stay in, connecting the design. Now, can I get it out? Oh, look at that! Pro right there. Put my witch in. Oops, sorry, Miss Witch. Okay. Perfect. Hello, Miss Witchy. Witches. Okay, moving on. So every year I always plan out exactly what I'm going to do. I take pictures from the year before to kind of help me remember what I did from year to year. I always add some new things as I go, which I do have a whole table full of newbies that I'm going to put on here. But right now, I'm just filling in the hay where the spots are. So as I did these the last couple of years, this year I'm doing something a little different with the hay. I'm leaving the plastic on this year. And I just took out one plastic of the hay, so it kind of gives it that hay effect. But I leave these hay bales on and I change them out for Thanksgiving. So I do Halloween and Thanksgiving with the hay bales, and I found by the time Thanksgiving came, they were just wet from the rain. So I kind of want to preserve them as much as I can this year, and that's why I left the plastics on. So if you guys are saying, she left the plastic on, I know, I did it on purpose. Okay, continue. These are little back clips. I found them at the dollar store, and what I like about them is they have a clip in the back so they'll go anywhere. So if you have like little empty spots that you need to fill, stick a bat in. I found these little witch hats in the dollar store this year. I thought they were cute, so I'm going to stick them in the head, right in the head. I usually fill them up with lots of fresh pumpkins, and I put fresh pumpkins all around here, but we didn't go pumpkin picking yet, so that's why I don't have them to show you guys, but next week I will. So what you're going to learn in my videos is that I love to throw Deco Mesh. Why do I throw Deco Mesh? Simple, because it opens it. Boom! There you go. So we want to put some Deco Mesh around these beautiful corn stalks. And that's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. You gotta open the Deco Mesh. Open, open, open. I like to sing. I'm actually an opera singer. So everything I do it loud and big. That's what I'm used to. Okay. Look how pretty. This is going to go so good with the garland that you guys are about to see. Which I'm very excited for you guys to see that. These corn stalks, they're beautiful. But take a couple of extra minutes and put some Deco Mesh around it. And it really just adds another level of beauty to the corn stalk and for your decoration. I love the Deco Mesh from the Mardi Gras outlet. I feel like it really holds up amazing. And I have beautiful colors too that I like. This is my little son Robbie, he's 3. Halloween garland from last year. If you guys are interested in how to make this beautiful garland, I'm going to be making a garland tutorial, so look out for that video. Right now, my husband Rob is actually going to come and help me because this is a little big and heavy for little Gina. So he's going to help me hang it, and then I'm going to fluff it and add more decorations to it. So I hope you like it. Now my husband Rob and I are securing the garland, and we are using the command strip hooks to hook the garland up because they're very sturdy, and we're using pipe cleaners just to tie the ends because in the fall it gets very windy and we want to make sure our beautiful garland is hanging throughout Halloween. So this is really important. Extra pipe cleaners, everybody. So I decided to put some 3D bats on my front door. Very simple. All it is double-sided tape, and you bend one wing, then the other wing in, and then you put it on, and it sticks. And it gives it that nice little flying illusion. So now the finishing touch, besides the pumpkins, remember there's gonna be a lot of pumpkins over here and some mums, but we just didn't go pumpkin picking yet. Okay, just keep that in mind. Right now I'm putting down an outdoor rug. I want it to be a little homey out here. I want it to feel a little homey when you come in. Because that's what fall is all about, to feel nice and homey and warm and snuggly and cozy. And then I'm gonna put my new witch mat down. Hello. And we're almost done. Besides the pumpkins and the mums. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to know how to do this beautiful garland, look out for my next video. Thank you.